The Tunguska event, the mysterious explosion of 1908. On a quiet morning in the heart of Siberia, the world experienced one of the most powerful explosions in recorded history. The Tunguska event of 1908, an immense explosion over the Tunguska River in Russia, flattened an estimated 80 million trees over an area of 2,150 square kilometers. This catastrophic event, whose origins are still debated, stands as a profound mystery and a reminder of the unpredictable forces of nature that lie beyond our understanding. It was the dawn of June 30th, 1908, when the tranquility of the Siberian wilderness was shattered. Eyewitnesses in the sparsely populated region described a massive fireball streaking across the sky. Moments later, a deafening explosion followed, so powerful that it was heard hundreds of miles away. The shockwave knocked people off their feet and shattered windows as far as 65 kilometers from the epicenter. The force of the blast was later estimated to be equivalent to 15 megatons of TNT, roughly 1,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The immediate aftermath of the explosion was utter devastation. The dense taiga forest was leveled, with trees lying in a radial pattern from the epicenter, their branches stripped bare. Remarkably, at ground zero, trees were left standing but completely scorched, suggesting a powerful downward force. The impact created no visible crater, adding to the mystery. Instead, the energy was released in the atmosphere, creating a blast wave that flattened the forest. Despite the scale of the disaster, the remote location meant that human casualties were minimal. Indigenous Evenki hunters and Russian settlers in the region were stunned by the event, with many describing it in terms that blended natural and supernatural explanations. The local Evenki people, who lived in the affected area, were particularly impacted as the explosion destroyed their hunting grounds and reindeer herds. For years, stories of the Great Explosion would be passed down, shrouded in myth and speculation. It wasn't until 1927, nearly 2 decades later, that the first scientific expedition, led by Soviet mineralogist Leonid Kulik, reached the site. Kulik, intrigued by the reports of a massive meteorite impact, embarked on a grueling journey through the harsh Siberian landscape. What he found was staggering: a vast swath of forest flattened in a radial pattern, with no meteorite fragments or crater to be found. Kulik theorized that a massive meteorite had exploded in the atmosphere, but the lack of direct evidence left many questions unanswered. Subsequent expeditions and studies have offered various explanations for the Tunguska event. The prevailing theory suggests that a small asteroid or comet, approximately 60 to 190 meters in diameter, entered the Earth's atmosphere at a high velocity. The object likely disintegrated at an altitude of 5 to 10 kilometers, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. This atmospheric explosion caused the observed devastation without leaving a traditional impact crater. The Tunguska event has fueled numerous alternative theories and speculations. Some have proposed that a comet composed primarily of ice could have caused the explosion, while others have suggested more exotic explanations, such as antimatter or a small black hole. Even more fantastical theories involve extraterrestrial spacecraft. However, the lack of concrete evidence for these hypotheses means they remain in the realm of speculation. The impact of the Tunguska event extended beyond the immediate destruction. In the years following the explosion, atmospheric effects were observed across Europe and Asia. Night skies were illuminated by a strange glow, believed to be caused by high-altitude ice particles reflecting sunlight. This phenomenon persisted for several days, indicating the far-reaching consequences of the explosion. The Tunguska event remains a subject of intense scientific interest and research. Modern studies using advanced technology, such as satellite imagery and computer simulations, have provided more insights but have not definitively solved the mystery. The event underscores the potential threat posed by near-Earth objects, NEOs, and the importance of monitoring and understanding these celestial bodies. In recent years, the Tunguska event has taken on new relevance as humanity becomes more aware of the potential hazards of asteroid impacts. The event serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of even relatively small objects from space. Efforts to track and potentially mitigate the impact of NEOs have increased, with international collaborations aimed at preventing a similar disaster. As we reflect on the Tunguska event, we are reminded of the fragility of our planet and the need for vigilance in the face of cosmic threats. The event remains a powerful symbol of the mysteries of our universe and the enduring quest for knowledge. It challenges us to look to the skies, to understand the forces that shape our world, and to prepare for the unexpected. The Tunguska event, with its mix of mystery, devastation, and scientific intrigue, captures the imagination and underscores the delicate balance of our existence in the vast cosmos. It stands as a testament to the dynamic and sometimes violent nature of our universe, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things and the need to respect and understand the natural world around us. If you enjoyed this epic true story, please like and subscribe for more daily posts.